Morning, gardening friends. Today is April 9th. It's 57 degrees. Nice warm weather out here. And cherry blossoms are over here blooming. There's a couple cherry bushes that have been here for I don't know how many years. I can't remember how long ago it's been since I planted them. So, in fact, actually when I planted them, this fence wasn't here. Yeah, springtime and everything's blooming. These are bushes here that from the honeysuckle there that I need to dig up and get rid of. It drops little bushes everywhere. I think I'm going to cut down that honeysuckle bush anyway. We plant a couple more cherry bushes there instead of right there. All the daffodils and tulips are blooming. There's a peony over here coming up. I forgot that I even put peonies over here. Tulips. All the daffodils. Look at these tulips. All the spring flowers. These are Oriental hybrid lilies coming up right there. And there's a tulip coming on. There's a poppy, and there's another lily right there. Actually, there's quite a few lilies over here. There's two right there. These are all daffodils or mystery lilies. I don't know which. Those poppies back there are going to be blooming here pretty soon. Look at these daffodils. This flower bed is really busy here early in the spring like this. But then later on the daffodils die back in middle summer and the poppies die back after they get done blooming in the middle of summer. So there's not much left here. A lot of them here now. I need to put on some stuff that grows in the second part of the year though. This is Laetris here. It hasn't started coming up yet. And this is trumpet vine over here. It's slow to get started. Here's another hyacinth coming on. Here's some hyacinths right here. There's another hyacinth coming on right there. This here is red hot poker. I just planted it last year. A lot of hyacinths out here. I guess I didn't realize I planted so many. Look at that. There's another one right there. There's a tulip coming on right there. More daffodils. Way out here by the street, there's a hyacinth growing out here. All over the place out here. Here's one. Here's one coming on. What's this coming on here? That's another hyacinth, I think. There's another one there. Why, lots of those. These tulips, aren't those pretty? Small daffodils. All kinds of new stuff coming on. This thing right here growing between the stepping stones is loose strife. It's got those yellow flowers all along the stem. Here's the early spring penstemon, I think it is. And the flowers are so tiny. And this is peony growing here. And these are oriental lilies coming up here. A whole bunch of them. Look, there's one. There's one. There's a whole bunch of them over here. Oh, there's one right there, almost on the path. See that? Those things grow over waist high and they have really big flowers. You come back in a few months and I'll show them to you. Look at all the daffodils over here. This is crane's bill geranium just getting started right there. This right here is a primrose. I don't think it's ever bloomed in a couple of years I've planted it there. This iris I put here last year. Here's some poppies I put here last year. Here's some loose strife coming on. There's another poppy. This dirt is kind of dry. I'm going to have to water it here if we don't get some rain. Usually you don't have to, this early in the spring, you don't have to do any watering. It's dry. Some of those bush cherries, I planted them out here. I should have planted them up there by the honeysuckle. Just got new leaves all the way along there. There's some more yarrow. Here's some primrose. Look how all the start's coming on that. This is bleeding heart coming on here. Okay. Well, thank you so much for coming along on my garden tour, and we'll talk to you next time. On the way out, be sure and subscribe to this channel if you like it, and I'll keep making more videos. So thanks a whole lot. Goodbye.